Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Soundcore Motion 300 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the speaker and a USB-C charging cable. And just to go over some specs, this has 13 hours of playtime, Bluetooth 5.3, LDAC, AAC, SBC codec, high-res audio, 30-watt output with 2 full drivers and 2 passive radiators, 3,350 milliamp hour battery, and it takes 5 hours to charge, USB-C for charging, and it's Ipx7 Waterproof. It also has app integration with EQ presets and settings, and it has a smart turn technology, which we'll go over shortly. Taking a look at the speaker, you can see it's fairly small size and very portable. It has a rubberized feel all around, so pretty much like a casing all around, and it has like an ink pattern, splash pattern to it. So you can see like the blue dots. Looking at the front, you have the Soundcore logo, and you can feel the grill. On the top, you have your controls, you have your power, Bluetooth, your bass up button, and then your playback controls. Looking at the right side, opening this rubber cover, you have your USB-C charge port. Taking a look at the back, you have these rubber feet if you want to put it flat, and then you also have the rubber feet on the bottom here if you want to stand it up. Looking at the left side, you have a strap here. It can be used to carry, or if you want to strap it around your backpack or like a tree just to hang, you can do that. So as mentioned, this has app integration. Once you're connected, you can see your device along with the battery levels, and you can also control your playback settings. On the bottom here, you have your EQ presets. It comes with 4 presets, Soundcore Signature, Extra Bass, Voice, and Balance. And then you can also customize your own. So with the customization, you can customize it while it's standing, lying, or hanging. So if you click on it, you can adjust the various parameters. So this also has that smart tune technology. So if you have this on, it will know the direction, whether it's standing, lying, or hanging. So right now, it's lying, and if I stand it up, you can see it automatically senses it, and then it's standing. And then if I just hang it like this, right now it's hanging. And then in the general settings, you can turn off the prompt tone, adjust the button brightness, the auto power, and of course update the firmware, and look at the user manual. Taking some measurements, the speaker is about 7.5 inches long, about 1.5 inches wide, and just a little 3.5 inches tall. It weighs in at roughly 775 grams. And now for some audio samples.
Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time to thrills I miss, and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you, cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone.
Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible.
So here are my thoughts on the Motion 300. I was impressed with the overall sounds. The bass is nice and tight, punchy. Mids and highs are clean and clear. Vocals and instruments really stand out. Volume levels do get really loud, and it doesn't get distorted, so it could definitely fill up your space very well. I like the fact that it's portable. You have the strap. You can have it in various orientations, whether it's lying, standing up, or hanging. So just overall a nice little speaker with a lot of power and good sounds. So I left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.